Alright, here we are, round 2, 12th day of October, 2024. 4th of July is coming your way here in 2025, but Father James A., the Brown family, it looks like, Truman, big ass one, so that's not cheap either. Tell some critters have been in here. Edward J., Edward James. (1963, 1995). Yeah. Some old ones in here, man. You can tell. Sarah J. Anderson. We saw this one. We've been over here before, so let's go over here. It's an old one. I don't know. 1874. Elizabeth Anderson. My goodness. William Nesbitt. 1835, excuse me, to 1929. Died June 22nd. Huh. 1837 to 1912. This is their family plot right here. Old folk probably lived this way a long time ago. Nesbitt, born 11th, died August 11th, 1953. Couple gambles here. Got a couple over here. Son of Sally and Lucas. Edward, age 4. Oh, what a shame. Only 4 years old. Yeah, those are tough ones to see in a cemetery. Only very young. They're sad. Maybe all of a sudden baby starts moving in the stillborn ones. Lynn Edward, Woodward. This is a Cornwell family plot here. Another Anderson over here. A lot of Andersons in this town. Another Cornwell. 1876. Francis C. Cornwell. 1872 to 1945. End of World War II. Peggy. Clark. He went in 72. She went in 2008. So she must have been a. She was a Marine, and I think Army. I think, or I don't know what that is, but they both served our country. Thank you so much. Another Anderson, Floyd J. 1908. Well, that's too bad. Very young, 1909 by date, but they stillborn probably. Maggie Thomas Anderson. You have a Hill one over here. Another Anderson. A family plot right here. Kind of a not too big of a cemetery. The church is a big one over here. But also I think I could get in, but I got lucky. I was able to. The door was unlocked. I thought, oh no, I got here. And there's nothing here. I couldn't get in, but here we are. It's a beautiful day to go cemetery wandering around. 1925. Over here. August 11th, August 16th, born, 1963. These ones right here are been here a long time. These were the old days. They put a plot in the way it went. Edward McClay, 1888. Only 2 years old. Shame. Served his country after U.S. or Navy, World War I, 1896 to 1994. Lived a long life. Said he'd be buried with the family. Some guys choose that. Because if you're buried like in the military, only the spouses can be buried with them, so. Mother. We have another Clark here. It's a nice one. It's a nice big ass rock here. Oh my goodness. Lloyd David, 1931. He was a baby. I have no idea. John W. 1862, 1935. 1993. No, eight was it? 1893 to 1895, Arthur Lloyd, asleep with Jesus, so obviously he was a child. That's sad. Nesbitt, it's a big one right there. She's still alive. I don't know what happened there, but maybe they got a divorce and she didn't want to be buried with him. I have no idea. Who knows? All these nice little flowers here. Angel on Earth, 1928 to 1996. We love Mother. All right, go over here. It doesn't go too far. It's a nice cemetery to walk around at. There's some really. A lot up north. There's a couple off a highway. Was it 212 that went down? It was kind of cool. Grandpa and Grandma Stewart. So no death when they died, but that's their John Jr. Grandma. Or F. March 16th, 1878 to 1897. Not too long of a life. Barney. Donna M. 1932 to 1980. 1920 to 1988. He lasted 8 more years after she passed on. So you got the Alice. Another Anderson here. My goodness. Lots of Andersons. A lot of the old Jackson, Albertson, 1872. So there's a lot of old ones here, you can tell. Robert Albertson, 1870, 1935. Very nice. Albertson. Served his country. Oh, maybe. Oh, yes, Merchant Marine. Morris, 2014. She won 1886. They were in marriage October 18th, 1947, a couple years after World War II ended. He liked to go fishing. I like that. Kind of cool. Another Anderson, Ben and Anna, 1861 to, and then she was born in 58. He went Thursday, and then she went 1934. Jamison. Sidney J. Anderson. 83. I got a lot of Andersons here. Oh my goodness. Just call this the Anderson place. Huh? But Betsy Clark, November 13th, 1989. Clark. Another Clark over here. Jeffrey, Burton, Betsy. Bill. Jeffrey Clark, our son, 1953 to February 16th, very young. So it looks like a very young Jeffrey. Davison. 1901, still alive, okay. Together forever. 1983, unless they didn't put it on there, I have no idea. Ralph Berwin, all by himself over here. We got the plot over here. Love, husband, dad, son, brother, and friend. 1973 to 2021. Loved and missed. Well, that's a relatively new plot. Kind of over at the end of the fence line, hanging out in the outskirts. Daniel, this is a newer one, 2007. Very nice. Rachel. So the Kingdom of Heaven. Very nice. Deborah. Got one over here. Myrtle Iron Palmer. Way over in the corner by herself. There's something over here, it looks like, too, as well. What's up? The veteran. $1995. Russell. So, heck yeah. All right, wanted to hear with Russell. All right, guys, from the outskirts. We'll maybe give you one more. Hell yeah.